Welcome to this e-learning module on fundamentals of artificial intelligence for the workplace. Hi, I am Sarah, and I shall guide you through this e-learning module today. AI is already a part of our everyday lives, and chances are you've used it several times today without even noticing it. When your phone unlocked using your face, that was AI. When Google Maps suggested the fastest route, it was using AI. That perfectly timed Netflix recommendation, it was AI. Spam emails disappearing from your inbox, also AI. Every day, millions of people use AI without even realizing it. But something has changed. For the first time, AI is no longer working quietly in the background. It's now becoming a tool that employees can actively use to write emails, summarize meetings, generate ideas, create presentations, analyze information, and save hours of work. And the people who learn how to use AI effectively won't just work faster, they'll work smarter. In this module, we'll help you understand AI by simplifying the concepts, demystifying the jargon, and showing you how to make AI your everyday productivity partner. We will begin by exploring what artificial intelligence, or AI, really is. We will then walk through some of the key AI terms you may have heard recently and simplify how AI actually works behind the scenes. You'll also get introduced to exciting concepts like agentic AI and generative AI. We'll also learn how to communicate effectively with AI through prompting, so you can get more useful and accurate responses from AI tools. As we move forward, we'll clear up some common myths about AI, discuss its limitations, and understand why human judgment still matters. Finally, we'll cover how to use AI responsibly and safely, especially when it comes to privacy, accuracy, and ethical use in the workplace. Let's begin by understanding what is artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. AI is technology that enables computers to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, learning from information, recognizing patterns, solving problems, making decisions, creating content, and answering questions. In simple terms, AI enables machines to think, learn, and assist humans in performing tasks more intelligently. Why AI matters today. Artificial intelligence matters today because it is rapidly changing the way we work, communicate, learn, and make decisions. Organizations around the world are adopting AI to improve productivity, reduce manual effort, enhance customer experiences, and make better decisions. At the same time, employees who understand how to use AI effectively are gaining an important workplace advantage. AI is not just about replacing work, it is about enhancing human capabilities. When used correctly, AI can help people focus less on repetitive tasks and more on creativity, problem solving, collaboration, and strategic thinking. Therefore, understanding how to use AI effectively is quickly becoming a core workplace skill, much like using email, spreadsheets, or the internet. Let's look at some real-world case studies where AI has helped transform business operations, productivity, and decision-making across organizations. Apollo Tyres uses generative AI to modernize operations and improve decision-making inside a traditional manufacturing environment. The company explored AI-driven transformation across business processes and enterprise workflows. This helped them improve operational efficiency, accelerate access to information, enhance enterprise knowledge sharing, and drive faster digital transformation. Pfizer uses AI and machine learning to accelerate drug discovery, clinical trials, manufacturing, and operational efficiency. The company has integrated AI into research workflows and uses digital technologies to speed up decision-making and reduce manual effort. The business impact for Pfizer includes faster drug discovery and research cycles, improved analysis of complex medical and scientific data, reduced time spent on manual research processes, and enhanced operational efficiency across clinical and manufacturing workflows. Airbnb uses AI and machine learning to enhance customer experiences by detecting fraudulent activities, identifying fake listings and suspicious behavior, improving search relevance, and delivering personalized stay recommendations. The business impact for Airbnb includes improved customer trust and platform safety, faster fraud detection and prevention, more personalized recommendations for users, better matching between guests and properties, and reduced operational risks from fake listings and fraudulent transactions. As you just saw, AI creates value across organizations by driving greater efficiency, enabling smarter decision making, and accelerating innovation in the workplace. How AI can help you transform your productivity.